Good evening. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Danylo.
My name is Oskar.
How are Daniel and Oskar related?
He is my son.
This is your papa. How old are you, Oskar?
8 years old.
8 years old. Do you like it here in America, Oskar?
Yes, I love Americas.
Okay. How long have you been doing this together?
3 years.
Wow. You have more children or just the one?
I have 2, and a small one, my daughter Carolina.
So cute.
Wow. I can't wait to see what you do. Good luck.